So I'm replacing the power steering pump on my 96 Jeep Grand Cherokee. And instead of swapping the old pulley to the new pump, I've decided to buy a whole new pulley. Now the pulley on most power steering pumps is press fit, so you'll need a pulley remover and installer tool. I purchased this kit off eBay for 15 bucks shipped, and it comes with a 3-piece jaw and sleeve assembly, a jack screw, a button, bearing, thrust washer, 4 different screw installers, 2 puller pins, and the actual puller body. Make sure to install the pulley with this side facing the pump and this side with the groove and lip facing outward. The inside of the pump shaft is threaded, so we're going to place our pulley in position, then grab this screw installer and put anti-seize on the threads before screwing it into the pump shaft. Set the washer in place first, then the bearing facing downward. Then set the puller body on top of the bearing. Now this larger screw is called the jack screw or center screw, and it has threads inside that thread onto the screw installer that's already installed in our pump shaft. Now apply anti-seize, screw it into the puller body until it threads onto the screw installer and you'll feel it bottom out. After a few turns to get it started, you'll need to set the pulley in a vise so it can be held still while you continue to tighten the nut down. Or you could just use an impact wrench with a 21mm deep socket. So every now and then you want to stop and check and make sure you're not pressing the pulley on too far. Since the pulley isn't flush with the pump shaft yet, I'll be reinstalling the tool. But this time, I'm using the old axle nut in between the bearing and puller body as a spacer so my deep socket can reach the nut on the puller body better as the jack screw is tightened down. So the pulley is now seated properly, and the only thing left to do is remove my stuck screw installer from the pump shaft. And that's how you install a pulley on a power steering pump. Check the description below for the video on replacing the pump, lines, and steering gear. Until next time, y'all stay tuned.